Hey guys, this is Shrikant here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix permission denied public key error in Ansible. Okay, here I have a Ubuntu mission that has been set. Okay, and it is getting permission denied error. Okay, so now the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where my Ansible is running. So this is the host where Ansible is running. So from here, I will try to ping this host. So I have two hosts here. This is the first one, this is the second one. And on the second one, I'm running this command. I'm just checking what is the port number. So it is running on 24. Okay. So now I go back here and try to connect to it using port number 24. Something, let me see. Okay. It says that permission added to the known host, but permission denied. Okay. Now what I need to do is I have to go back here in this config file. I can go down and look for password authentication. It has been set to no. So let me set it to yes and then save it. Yeah. And then I have to go back here and try to connect to it. It still didn't connect. The reason is I have to restart it. So let me restart it. So I have restarted the SSH, and now when I try to connect from here, it will ask for password, and when I give my password, it will connect. Okay, so now I am back to Ansible and I'm trying to run this job. And you see that it is successful. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.